So this is what I'm starting with. This is what the kitchen looks like before I start demoing. You'll notice I've already taken a few of the cabinets down and remounted them in other places. I've mounted them on walls where I'm not going to do any demo. I don't mind patching a few holes in the wall. And I've done that so I can get at some of the stuff we're going to need to cook food or even put something in the microwave. Other stuff we're not going to be using all that much we put in plastic bins or kept them in drawers and just set the drawers on the floor or on tables. One of the drawer cabinets I've used as a microwave cart. What I did was take the toe kick off and get one of those $10 carts from Menards and place it on top of that cart to make it a roll around. I started by taking out the pantry closet. That's where our refrigerator is going to go. This is all going to be a time-lapse video, so if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. You'll see here I'm taking the toe kick off the cabinet and putting a card underneath it to make it a roll-around cabinet. You're probably wondering why I'm taking this cabinet out in pieces instead of all at one time. I'm trying to keep the sink and dishwasher going as long as possible while I'm doing other parts of the kitchen. You're also going to see me taking pieces of the cabinet, saving them, putting them to the side. As I was demoing this cabinet, I realized the face frames were made out of solid, dark walnut, and the boxes were made out of walnut veneer plywood. I won't try and save the plywood, but the dark, solid walnut I will save and repurpose for something else. Here I'm unhooking some of the electric. You might see my little tester there. Here I'm going to double check my cabinet layout dimensions to make sure they're going to work. I want to get them ordered tonight because there's a 3-week delivery time.